Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. Gee, the clock's telling me it's dinner time. Let's all have some food. All right. I will remind my wonderful audience that the amount of money you spend on food is a variable depending upon what you choose to eat. You can be very, very well fed and very well nourished on some inexpensive ingredients. Let me show you a few of them. So, what are we doing today? Well, today we are following up on the eternal beans and spuds. Beans and potatoes. Oh, gee. But, different beans, different potatoes, different culture, same ingredients, very different flavor. So, in my magic giant pot, I have, that's going to be kind of heavy to pick up and show you, but I'll try. I have, 1 cup of very hot lentils. Ow, that's hot. Yeah, I think we'll leave that on the stove tonight. So 1 cup of lentils, a couple of cups of chicken stock. Oh, sorry, I don't have anything with me today. And a couple of cloves of garlic, just sliced. You know, nothing big. That's been cooking for, about 40 minutes. Been sitting still. The lentils are pretty much cooked. So, what are we going to do with beans? Cooked in chicken stock and garlic, which, by the way, smells amazing in here. So, I got the produce. I got an onion, I got a red bell pepper, I got a bunch of carrots, and I got a sweet potato. Not a yam, but a sweet potato. And a can of diced tomatoes. Some cayenne, and some cumin. And when it's done, we'll put some fresh cilantro in there just for fun. Almost sounds Cajun. But it's not. The term for this is lentil Tagine, meaning that the entertainment for this food should be a belly dancer. That's right, this is technically an Arabic recipe. How's that for fun? Beans and potatoes a la someplace else. Don't worry. The rest of the world eats beans and potatoes too. And I've been having jokes with Mrs. Chef about that. So, in goes everything else. Now you'll notice, we didn't caramelize the onions. What flavor are we going to get from those onions? Nice, mellow, sweet ones. Okay. Gently boiled onions. Can of tomatoes. I drained some of the juice off the tomatoes. Yeah, the trouble with canned tomatoes is that there's a lot of flavor in the juice. And so if you drain it off too much, of course, there goes all your flavor. Some cumin. And some cayenne. Again, that's up to you. And that's about it. Yeah, I know. How exciting can dinner just possibly be? Well, it's beans and potatoes, you know? It may be beans and potatoes from the other side of the world, but it's still just beans and potatoes. So that's it. I got a Cover that and let that cook a while. It's going to need some more chicken stock. And, yeah. Dinner. Sometimes it is genuinely just that easy. Let's take a look here. So yeah, I gotta boil up some sweet potato with some carrots and some onions and some bell peppers and some tomatoes with some lentils. And quite honestly, it's going to be wonderful. Beans and potatoes, in this case lentils and sweet potatoes, with spices from the other side of the world. So, thank you. I am the Awful Chef. This is social media. Please do that social thing and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.